Hey there, welcome to your quick guide to using Slickplan's AI assistant in the sitemap builder. To kick things off, simply find the white "Need help with your sitemap" button at the bottom of the sitemap builder interface. A click here opens up a world of possibilities with 3 powerful tools at your fingertips. Our first stop is the Optimize Structure tool. This neat feature refines your sitemap's organization without touching your existing content or diagrams. Just hit Optimize Structure, and the AI does the hard work. Whether you want to expand, reorganize, or improve label names, it's all about keeping things smooth and sorted. Next up, we have the Add New Branch or Section tool, perfect for when your sitemap needs a little expansion or reordering. Select your parent page. Give a quick description, decide on the page range, and watch as the AI assistant crafts your new digital pathway. Feeling like a fresh start? Use the Generate a New Sitemap option to build from scratch or offer a redesign. Just describe your site, pick the page range, and let the AI shape your vision into reality. So go ahead, explore these tools, and see how your sitemap can evolve with just a few clicks. For more information, please visit our support site. Thanks for watching.